Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy in Grammy Square. Today I'm going to show you an alternate method of creating a foundation row of double crochets. And what most patterns will tell you to do is to chain so many stitches, and then turn and double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook, and in each one after that like that, until you get your bottom row of chain stitches and a row of double crochets. And I did that for many years, but I did run into a few problems. One of them is that when I was putting a border on my project and was trying to stretch it out just a little bit, you can't really do that. You are limited on how much stretchiness it has by how tight those initial chains were. And so you're limited. If you need a little bit of extra space, room on your project, it's not very stretchy. So what I'm going to show you today is, this is called a foundation stitch, and it has a lot more elasticity. And so we can add a border, and if we need a little bit more room to finish our pattern so it doesn't look weird, we have that extra elasticity in there so that we can have enough room to finish our project and make it look good. Another thing I like about this is that it does have the chains on the top, but it also has chains on the bottom. So when you're creating your border, it will be easy to find those chains when you're ready to add. I also think it looks a little bit more consistent, a little bit more professional. So we're going to start with a slip knot and then chain 3. And then our first stitch, we're going to go through 2 loops down here at the very bottom of that chain. Yarn over, pull through a loop. Oops, I didn't do yarn over first. Yarn over, go through those 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 again. And that's our first 2 double crochets. Let's do another one. The second one, one problem that I had with this is determining which chain I should go into when I create a new double crochet. So what we're going to do is go to the bottom of this double crochet, and there's a loop right there. So let me show you a little bit better. That's the bottom loop. And then we will turn it so the bottom is facing us and pick up the second half of that loop right behind it. Pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. Now we can see we've got 3, and when we create the next one, if you look at the bottom of your double crochet, you'll see this loop right here, and that is where we're going to put our next double crochet. So yarn over, go to the bottom of your double crochet, you'll see that loop right there. Put your hook through that and also the loop right behind it. Pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2 twice. And that creates our chain. So just like our original foundation row, we have a row of chain stitches and then a row of double crochets. Let's do a couple more. Yarn over, go to the bottom of the stitch, find that loop right there, put your hook through that, and also through the loop right behind it. Pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2 twice. Let's do a couple more. Yarn over and go to the bottom of the double crochet, and you'll see that loop right there. Put your hook through that and the loop right behind it. Pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. All right, let's see what it looks like now. So now you can see we've got our row of chain stitches and a row of double crochets. Let me do a couple more. Yarn over, and then looking at your double crochet, right at the bottom there's a loop right there. That's the one we're going to go through right there. and then turn your crochet so the bottom is facing you. You'll see the loop right behind it. Pull through, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, twice. And again, yarn over. There's the loop at the bottom of our double crochet. Put it through that one. Turn your work a little bit so you can see the loop right behind it. Pull through, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, twice. And one more time. Yarn over, find that loop right at the bottom of your double crochet. It goes through that one and the one right behind it. Pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and there we go. So I think this takes a little bit of practice, at least it did with me, but this is the method I use all the time now because I think it makes it look a lot more professional. Plus, we've got that stretch in there if we need it at the end. And we've got the row of chains on the bottom when we're ready to add a border. So, thanks for watching. If you like this, please like it and subscribe.